Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can design LinkedIn ad in Canva and start selling this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platform and earn good amount of money. So the ad is a very important part in any social media platform. So if the ad creative is good, means ad design is good, then it will perform more. So it is very important to make the design attractive for ads. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create beautiful and attractive LinkedIn ad design. So let's get started. First of all, we'll go to Fiverr and start searching that is there is demand for this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr. In fiverr.com I write here LinkedIn ad design. So here are different he showed me different ads like Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads. Yeah, I will execute high perform LinkedIn ads campaigns and other different platforms campaigns. So so you can see there is a very high demand of this skill, ad design. So you just have to give some time, and it just takes 3 to 5 minutes to create a LinkedIn ad design. And let's after that you can start selling this service on Fiverr. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's go to Canva and start learning that how to design beautiful and attractive LinkedIn ad. So I am going to Canva, and here I write in search bar LinkedIn ad. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. So it is LinkedIn single image ad. Click on this, and select any of the template, or you can create from blank template. So but I like this one, so I select this template and customize this template. It is open in new window. It takes some seconds to load the page, so bear with me and wait for some seconds. So that's it, it is loaded. So guys, first of all I would like to uh, I would like to design ad for agriculture business. So I write here agriculture. Okay, and the company name is Agri Plus. Coming soon. I would like to change the background color into green, because agri relates to green color, and I hope this look good. And I would also like to change the element, so I go to elements, and here I search agriculture. Graphics. Yeah, I delete this image and put the image of this here. So as you see, our image is ready and our LinkedIn ad is ready. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skill and earn money. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.